The early stages of finding the product market fit for us were really around exploring the market. So a lot of customer development conversations. Then when we felt like we'd found the right niche to focus on, then it was more about going deeper with those particular customers. So getting into the situation of running pilots with them, exchanging data. In order to test our hypothesis and in order to sort of develop what we were doing, we needed to work quite closely with customers. I think that's probably the hardest part for us. That's been a hard part because the industrial sectors move quite slowly. And it's a well understood problem. They move slowly. So one of our challenges is find ways to accelerate that. And so we're building in this thinking into our product, which is actually, it's quite fun, challenging the status quo. But yeah, no, we're at the stage now where we're really working on going deep with a couple of customers, really spending time on, we've worked a lot on the core technology, we're now really working on the product side of things. So finding those features that are really killer features that people love. And very often those killer features actually, they're not even the deepest tech, they're just something that resonates with the user. So I think that's quite a fun challenge.